traffic. Too bad nakakabad trip. Ba't di mo na mag-SMB after work mag 5:30? Have a beer, have an SMB after work mag 5:30. Mag-relax, mag-unwind muna. Sarap maging barkada. SM Haraw-harawin na ang 5:30. Mag-San Miguel beer mag 5:30.
Bukas ulit, ha?
Gary, it's time I taught you something every man should know. How to eat an Oreo cookie. Twist it off. Just give it a lick. Now let's dunk it, just like a professional basketball player. Only Oreo.
Pam looks different. She's never looked so good.
Pam's been using Pond's Skin Whitening Vitamin Cream. It has vitamin B3, which safely whitens from within, plus protective double sunscreen. In weeks, her skin became noticeably lighter with a rosy white glow. Pond's Skin Whitening Vitamin Cream from Unilever.
I hooked my cooler on a trailer hitch to drain it, but I forgot to unhook it. We dragged that thing 20 miles, but it held on all the way. It's a good thing my cooler's a Coleman.
May mas masarap ba sa chocolate drink mo? May mas masarap nga!
Ovaltine.
7 out of 10 kids tested in Metro Manila agree mas masarap ang Ovaltine Power.
Mas masarap po. High-tech. Mas masarap kesa sa...
Mas masarap talaga!
Mas Ovaltine Power!
Mag-Ovaltine Power na!
Sapa. From a magical world where skies are blue, where children's dreams come true. All you need's a wish or two, plus a touch of magic too. Mickey and friends, let's play together. It's happy meal ever after.
Summer is the worst time for your hair. Di ba nakaka-dry? Anong nangyayari sa buhok mo paglabas mo sa tubig?
Talang hirap suklayan. Sticky.
Pero lalambot hot oil yan with Rejoice Rich Sachet. Who's willing? So papayag kang sumali sa Rejoice Hot Oil Challenge?
Siguro.
Sige.
Ano masasabi mo? May portable sink kami sa beach.
Galing.
Chili hair.
Madulas siya. Malambot. Parang hot oil.
Kaya ngayon summer, mag-Rejoice Rich Sachet.
Lambot hot oil, dulas hot oil sa isang Rejoice Sachet.
Sa paghataw ng pinakamainit na Tagalize live-action series sa telebisyon, makikilala ni Hercules ang mga kapatid niyang sina Castor at Pollux sa Olimpiada.
Anak din ako ni Zeus.
Pero ang mga katunggali ay ang sarili niyang tropa. Kanino na siya sasama? Young Hercules! Biyernes alas 8:30 ng gabi dito lamang sa pinakamalakas ABS-CBN.
Ang pupulsoan ng bayan ngayong gabi. Dapat bang patawarin ng Pangulo si Aphrodisio Lakia matapos niyang bawiin ang kanyang masakit na biro? Tumawag ngayon din sa 412-1332 at makipulso sa amin sa Pulso Aksyon Balita. Ngayong gabi alas 11.
Pag walang damit si baby, pag nakadamit, tinanong ko sa pedya. Sabi niya, para maginhawa ang balat ni baby, sa halip na ordinaryong bareta sa paglaban ng damit niya, dapat Perla.
Extra alagang Perla. May natural ingredients at gentle whiteners. Ang Perla ay banayad na lumilinis at nagpapaputi.
Laging extra alaga ang damit ng aking mga baby sa Perla. Tama ang aking pedya. Extra alagang Perla. Malayo ka man sa buong maghapon, dama pa rin niya ang iyong kalinga at dagdag pagmamahal. Soy ko, uuwi na si Mami.
A high-quality milk supplement para kay baby 6 na buwan pataas. Bonamil, dagdag pagmamahal.
Breast milk is best for babies up to 2 years.
Good day, bad day, Saturday, Sunday. There's so much more in store, just ask for more. Our love could be much stronger, ask for more. Our love could be much bolder, ask for more. Just ask for more. Just ask for more. Ask for more. That's for more. Just that's for more.
Ang pamilya ko, mahilig magpapak ng cheese. Buti na lang, may new Hearty Cheesy Flakes na. Kesong-kesong sarap. Kasi ang new Hearty Cheesy Flakes may cheddar cheese. At dahil may omega-3, masarap pati sa puso. New Hearty Cheesy Flakes.
Huli ka! Masarap pati sa puso.
Fiesta sa amin! Aray, naku! Humilaban tiyan ko sa LBM! Oops! 2 diatoms agad, sabi ni Doc!
Diatoms, parang magnet. Hindi pinapalabas ng toxins kaya wala ng LBM.
Ang bilis ng diatoms! Gamot sa bukol, meron ka?
Okay, folks, please follow me. Be careful. This is the Parthenon. It was constructed over 1,000 years ago. It was built to last forever. But look at it now. Unprotected against wear and tear, the Parthenon today is only a shadow of what it once was.
Hindi kasi sila nag-boys and permacoat eh.
100% acrylic Boysen Permacoat. Made to last. Another great idea from Boysen. #1 in quality.
Mommy, this is your recipe.
Sarap. Si Ana magaling ng magluto, maganda pa.
Her hair gets a regular dose of nutrients from Sunsilk with Fruitaments, blended in the Nutralife complex. Nourished hair grows more and more beautiful.
In cooking school, she worked hard to be the best. Finally, she opened her own cafe. Lalong umaasenso, lalong gumaganda. Sa'yo natupad ang pangarap ko.
Sunsilk Nutrient Shampoo for hair that grows more and more beautiful. From Unilever.
At the count of 3, close your eyes. We'll take you back in time. When the strut was in and the beat was light. Back when just anything goes. Keep on dancing. Saturday at 10, only on ABS-CBN. Maligayang pagdating to Taiwan's pride in the Asia Song Festival 2000.
Mabuhay Philippines, I'm Francesca Gao from Taiwan. 大家好.
Catch Asia's best of the best in the much-awaited Asia Song Festival 2000. And ABS-CBN presents Premium Exclusive. March 26, Sunday at 9:30 p.m. Only where you can experience quality entertainment.
May ganda ba tungkol sa tawa? May ganda bang puno ng ligaya? Na kayang ikwento ang nararamdaman ko. Kayang ipaabot ang saya ng pagkula.
Sa mga napuntahan, wala pang narinig. Sa pinanggalingan, walang di isang himig. Natama ang timpla, tulad ng pag-cola. Mas enjoy talaga ang ating pag-cola.
Pag-cola, mas enjoy! Ang gaspang kayang yakapin ang pure soft downy. Nadamang wala pa pure soft ginhawa. Nadamang wala pa. Ngayon, damhin mo sa bago pure soft downy. Pure soft downy. Malaya ka na. Pure softness sa bawat galaw. Pure soft, natatanging haplos ng Downy.
It's here. Johnson's baby lotion with a silky feel. For more than just baby soft, baby smooth skin. It has a special non-greasy formula that absorbs quickly and leaves your skin baby soft, baby smooth, and silky. Johnson's baby lotion, non-greasy silky feel.
Ang init.
Uy, dito to ah.
Kuya, dito.
Dito sabi.
Dito!
Dito. Basta tibay, yun.
Mag-share nga kayo.
Union Electric Fans.
Kids need more than mental ability to do well in school. Dapat high EQ, so they're more self-confident and can get along well with others.
Nurture your child's emotional intelligence or EQ with love, interaction, and proper nutrition. The RDA levels of essential nutrients in progress are balanced to keep pace with the physical, mental, and emotional growth of your child.
When they're emotionally ready, kids get more out of school.
Because your child is a work in progress.
Catherine Zeta-Jones,
Yeah, that would be great.
I start filming next week, so I have a few days off.
Hollywood screen goddess. Discover her secret. New Lux Super Rich. Now enriched with amino complex that locks in essential moisture. So hair stays softer, longer. Flowing beautifully with moisture all day long.
Lux Super Rich.
From Unilever.
The entertainment world's best-kept secrets and the full gossip truth. This is as close as you can get to your favorite star for only 40 pesos. Star Studio, the fun fan mag. On its maiden issue, the real score on the Sunshine Cesa romance. True ghost stories on the set of Okatokat. What turns on Vanessa Del Bianco, the 10 women Marvin Agustin love, plus other insider entertainment news and features. Star Studio, the fun fan mag for only 40 pesos. Grab your copy now.
If you want more action in your life, don't hold back. It's never too late with Cystogen Premium, the complete nutritional drink that is high in protein, low in fat and lactose. It provides the energy you need to get more out of life.
Kung extra laki ang gutom mo, may extra large na pancit canton. Bagong Payless XL 100 grams. Kasyang-kasya sa malaking gutom. Payless XL Pancit Canton. Extra laking sarap, extra laking busog. May toyo mansi din.
Si Shaina, expert sa hotdog. Choice niya, Campo Carne Mobi. Mula sa San Miguel, na expert sa quality. Ako, expert magmahal. Kaya choice ko rin ang Mobi. Sadyang para kay Shaina.
Sarap ng Mobi! Mommy, isa pa nga, please.
Mobi lang ang choice naming mga experts.
Campo Carne Mobi Hotdog, the choice of the experts. Mula sa San Miguel.
Ready to make waves? Close Up Crystal, the complete fluoride toothpaste plus soft blue granules that work like extra brushes to clean between teeth along the gum line. For strong, white, crystal clean teeth, Close Up Fresh Breath with a mint taste you